Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two soundbar in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly we start design. Dimensions: soundbar 43.7 into 2.4 into 4.47 inch. Subwoofer 8.3 into 15.9 into 15.9 inch. Satellites 3.4 into 5.8 into 3.4 inch. And soundbar 43.7 into 2.3 into 4.7 inch. Subwoofer 8.2 into 15.8 into 15.8 inch. Satellites 3.4 into 5.7 into 3.4 inch. Weight: soundbar 5.4 kg, subwoofer 9.8 kg, each satellites 1.2 kg, and soundbar 4.8 kg, subwoofer 5.9 kg, each satellites 1.2 kg. Wall mountable, yes, with include hardware. Mountable bar, yes. Mountable satellites, yes. Bar bracket include, yes. Part 2: Sound quality. Channel configuration: 9.1.4 channel. Amplifier output 520 watt. Trusted preset standard. Slope -0.52 and -0.41. Standard error 3.24 dB and 2.69 dB. Low frequency 28.3 Hz and 28.7 Hz. High frequency 19.9 kHz. Crosstalk error 2.04 dB and 2.61 dB. SPL max volume 95.9 dB SPL and 97.7 dB SPL. DRC max volume 1.81 dB and 2.78 dB. Localization: discorrect. Audio decoding: detach HD high resolution, detach HD master audio, detach X Dolby Atmos, Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby True HD LPCM. HDMI compliance: CEC EARC. Part 3: Connectivity. Inputs: 1 into HDMI audio video, 1 into optical toslink audio, and 1 into HDMI audio video, 1 into HDMI audio video EARC, 1 into optical toslink audio. Outputs: 1 into HDMI ARC audio video. Wireless audio protocols: AirPlay to Bluetooth Shopify connected, and AirPlay to Bluetooth Chromecast built-in Shopify connected, Tilda connected Wi-Fi. Part 4: Features. Display: yes. Room correction: yes. Subwoofer level adjustment: yes. Auto volume night mode: yes. Real level adjustment: yes. EQ graphics plus preset. Virtual surround: yes. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.